Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss applied mathematics, paper code 465, which was conducted today, that is on 9th March 2024. It's MCQ questions we are going to discuss. So the first question which we have here is, in a 1 kilometer race, player P beats player Q by 18 meter or 9 second. Now see, information is given regarding Q. So Q speed we can find out from here. So Q speed will be 18 by 9, that is 2 meter per second. Okay. So time taken by Q to complete the race. Time taken by Q to complete the race will be nothing but it's a 1000-meter race. So 1000 by 2. So it is 500 second. And it says that P beats Q by 18 meter or 9 second. So time taken by P will be nothing but 500 minus 9. 500 minus 9 will be 491. So option C should be correct here. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 says that x is greater than y and z is less than 0. Now see, if any negative value is there, as value is negative, so whenever we multiply inequality with a negative value, the sign changes. Okay. So two things we can have. Same thing happens for division also. So if you multiply z by x, so it will be xz, and is it a negative? It is negative, so sign will change. So yz, either this, or if you divide, same thing will happen. X by z greater, then it will be less y by z. So I think option D will be correct here. Let us move to the next question now. Next question we have is question number 3. It says that AB is equal to A, BA is equal to B. So we need to find the value of B square plus B. Now see, B square plus B. B square I can write it as BA multiply by BA plus B. Okay. Now what is A into B? So I can clearly take this out. So A into B is nothing but A. So it will become A here multiply by A plus B. Okay. So again BA is nothing but B multiply by A plus B, and BA again it's B. So B plus B, that is 2B. So option will be D option. Okay. Question number 4th. We need to find the determinant. We need to find the determinant of it. So determinant you can either find by row or column operation, or you can find it by using directly. You can multiply also number. There is no issue in that. But if you use row or column operation, it will be simple. Let us try. 42 to 5, 79, 7 and 9, 29, 5 and 3. Okay. So simple operation, if I'm going to apply that, C1 changes to C1 minus C2. So this will be 42 minus 2 will be 40. 79 minus 7 will be 72. 29 minus 5 will be 24. And the rest of the things are same. 2, 7, 5, 5, 9 and 3. Okay. Now from the first column, I can take out 8 common. So 8 5s are 40, 8 9s are, and 8 3s are. So it is 2, 7, 5. And last column is 5, 9 and 3. What we can say, the first and third column both are same. So its determinant will be 0. Option A should be correct here. Let us move to the next question, that is question 5. What we have is y is equal to e to the power minus 2x, and we need to find the third derivative. Okay, d cube y by dx cube. Third derivative will be minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 3 times into e to the power minus 2x. So that will be minus 8 e to the power minus 2x. Option D will be correct. Let us move to the next question. Question number 6. In question number 6, we have given with a function f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Okay. And we need to find it is increasing or decreasing, which type of function it is. Okay. So f dash of x, if you are going to find out, you are going to get 2x minus 1. So x will be is equal to 1 by 2. Sign scheme, if you are going to see, so the lower value I can see here is 0 and upper value is 1. So it is mid value will be x by 2, 1 by 2. So on the right hand side of 1 by 2, it will be positive and here it will be negative. So from 0 to 1 by 2, function will be of decreasing type, and 1 by 2 to 1, it will be increasing. So again, option D will be correct. Next question. Next question is from differential equation, and we need to find order and the degree of the differential equation. Okay. Now see what we have now. We have log of y by x. If derivative function is there, then it will be log of derivative functions are there, then it is not defined. Okay. So clearly not defined option will not be there. Either A, B or C is correct. Okay. So if you are going to take dy by dx common or dx by dy common. Okay. What we can do now, we can just simply divide everything by dx. So the equation changes to y plus x log y by x, and it will be dy by dx minus 2x dy by dx is equals to 0. So we can say that everywhere the order is also 1 and degree is also 1. So option A should be correct here. Let us move to the next question. Question number 8. A fair coin is tossed twice. Outcomes are noted. Now see, if you are going to toss a coin, then the value of P will be 1 by 2. Okay. And what is it? Random variable X represent the number of heads. See, probability of head will be also 1 by 2. Probability of tail will also be 1 by 2. Then the mathematical expectation of X. Mathematical expectation of X means they want to assess the value of mean. We know that mean is n into P. Okay, n into P. N is 2 coins are there and P is 1 by 2. So answer is 1. Option A is correct here. Next question, question number 9. What time will it be after 1275 hours if the present time is 9 p.m. Okay, present time is 9 p.m. So 1275, if you are going to divide it by 12, the remainder is 72. Remainder will be 3. If the remainder is 3, so 9 plus 3 are 9 plus 3 will be 12 hours. So answer should be option B. Question number 10. Question number 10. If for the Poisson's variate x, it is given P of x is equal to K is equal to P of x is equal to K plus 1. Okay. Now see, Poisson's variate will be e to the power minus lambda and lambda to the power k divided by k factorial. This is the formula. And for k plus 1, e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 ka factorial. K plus 1 ka factorial. This so directly will get cancel. E to the power lambda cancel. What will remain? 1 by, and this will also get cancelled. So k plus 1 will remain here. Okay. So what is there? 1 upon 1, and this is lambda will remain, and here k plus 1 will remain. This will imply lambda is equal to k plus 1, and that is only Poisson's variate. So option C will be correct here. Question number 11. If calculated value of mod t less than is equal to critical value of t. So direct formula, then the null hypothesis. If it is less, then the hypothesis is accepted. It's direct question. Next question is question number 12. For testing the significance of difference between means of two independent sample, degree of freedom V. Degree of freedom, I think it's a repeated question. N1 plus N2 minus 2. Direct formula is there, nothing else. Question number 13. For the given values, the 5-year moving averages are. 5-year moving averages means we need to take first 5 value and take out the mean. 23, 32, 40, 47, 58. So 200 by 5, 40. First value will be 40. What about next value? Next value is 42. Okay. And the last value will be 40 plus 47 plus this and plus 33 plus 44. So yes, option B, 44 will be there. Okay. So option B will be correct. Let us move to the next question. Question number 14. Using flat rate method, the EMI to repay a loan of 20,000 in 2.5 year at the interest rate of 8% per annum. See, flat rate method is there. So how much amount he needs to pay first, that we will calculate. 20,000 multiply by 2.5 means 5 by 2 multiply by rate of interest is 8. 8 by 100. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 420 means 4,000. How much amount he needs to pay at the end? So 20,000 plus 4,000. So total amount he needs to pay is 24,000. And this amount he needs to pay in 2.5 year. 2.5 year means 24 plus 6, 30. In 30 months he needs to pay. 3, 8 is 800. 800 rupees will be the answer here. Okay. Next question. A mobile phone costs 12,000 and its scrap value after a useful life of 3 years is 3,000. Okay. After 3 year, scrap value is 3,000. So the difference amount will be 12,000 minus 3,000, that is 9,000. And it's in 3 years, so 3,000. Okay. Then the book value of the mobile phone at the end of 2 year. 2 year means multiply by 2. So option B, 6,000 should be there. Let us move to the next question. For 1 mark, such type of question should not be there. It should be 3-4 marker question. What sum of money should be deposited at the end of every 6 months to accumulate 50,000 in 8 years if the money is worth 6% per annum compounded semi-annually? If compounded semi-annually is there, so the value of I will be 6 by 2%, that is 3%. So the value of I is 0.03. So, and we know the formula, amount is equal to R multiplied by 1 plus I raised to the power n minus 1 divided by I. So amount is given 50,000 is equal to R, we need to calculate 1 plus I. So 1 plus 0.03 raised to power n. N is 8 year and it is semi-annually. So it will become 16, 16 minus 1 divided by 0.03. So R will be what? 50,000 multiplied by 0.03 divided by 1.03 raised to the power 16 minus 1. So value is given here. So minus 1 if you will do, to 0.6047. So you जाएंगे 5 3s are 15, 1500 divided by 0.6047. 60 also if you will consider 60 and 50, So approximately it should be equal to 2480, है ना? So option C will be correct here. 60 also, if you consider na, approximately that only answer will come. Okay, we'll not going to calculate each and everything. It's in a MCQ type question. Option C will be correct. Okay. Now question number 17. The graph of the equation is. So graph if you are going to make. So simple, it's graph you can make here. Okay. Like this. And the value will be, if x will be is equal to 0, y is equals to 2. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So it will be a line like this. Okay. 0, 2. And this is 3, 0. And this line is 2x plus 3y greater than 6. Greater than 6 means this region will be there. Okay. This region will be there. So entire XY plane, wrong. Half plane contains origin. It doesn't contain the origin. Excluding half plane neither contains the origin nor the points on the line. Yes, option C is correct here. Next question. In an LPP, if the objective function z is equal to ax plus by has same maximum value at two corner point of a feasible region, then the number of points at which maximum value of z occurs. Okay. So something like this. Okay. At both these point A also and point B also, maximum values are occurring. So if both the points are having maximum value, then every point on this line will also be the maximum value. So infinite number of points will be there. Okay. Next question is assertion and reason. The function is strictly decreasing on -1 to 1. It's a repetitive, no? This was again there. X square minus x plus 1. So between -1 to 1, 1 by 2. Yeah, here positive, here it is negative. So one place it will decrease and one place it will increase. So it says strictly increasing means A is false. Option D will be correct here. Option D. Okay. Question number 20. In a binomial distribution, n is equal to 200 and p is equal to 0.04. Taking Poisson's distribution as an approximation to the binomial distribution. Mean Poisson distribution is equal to 8. We know that mean is NP. So 200 multiplied by 0.04. It's 8. Yes, option A is correct. Sorry, assertion is correct. Reason. P of x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 will be e to the power minus 8 into 8 to the power 4 divided by 4 फैक्टोरियल क्या हो जाएगा 4 फैक्टोरियल 8 to the power 4 8 to the power 3 ये बचा 4 into 2 गया 3 and this is 8 to the power 3. So 8 to the power 3 is 512 divided by 3 e to the power 8. Yes, this is also correct. But is it a correct explanation? No. Okay. If this was reason and this was assertion, then both option A and B are correct and A is the correct explanation of R. But it's a opposite thing. So I think we should go with option B here. Okay. So I hope you have got all the questions here. If there is any doubt, you can comment and let me know. Thank you.